Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to merge or join multiple videos together in React Native's new architecture for Android using the Media3 transformer library. So firstly I will show you guys the output. Now given that our output is getting ready, make sure you open this documentation for turbo modules as well as this for Fabric native components, because I will be copying a lot of code from this documentation. Okay, so our output is ready. So here, as you can see, I have two buttons, pick video and merge video. First we will concentrate on merge video. Here inside my code you can see that I have already added I want to merge these two videos together. Now these videos are stored on a network URL. Just for simplicity I have taken two videos, but you can take hundreds of videos. Okay, now what I'll do is that I'll just click on merge video. Okay, now if I go to logcat, here it is displaying us a progress bar. So what it will do is that it will merge those two videos together, but it will also save that particular video inside our external storage, so on the user's device. Now here you can see the actual progress. So the 2 which you see is the actual progress state, and the 50 which you see is the 71 75 is the actual conversion of how actual progress, how much has been done. Now this is the first video. Okay, let the video play, but here you can see it doesn't reach till 100. There are few reasons. Firstly, the videos which I am joining are very short. Secondly, I have added 500 milliseconds delay, but here you can see the progress rate turns to 0. That's how you can know that the conversion has finished. Also so here is the second video playing. Now there is one more thing, is that we are also overriding on completed and on error. So with the help of that also we can know that okay, this particular videos has been merged together and has been finished, which I will show you shortly. Now suppose I want to join local videos. So what I'll do is that I'll just comment this to out. Okay, so I have no videos at the very start and I have refreshed my screen. Now I will just click on pick video. Now the first video which you see, this one is from our last output. Now what I'll do is that I'll select this 15 seconds video first. Now you won't see anything. Okay, I'll click on pick video and I'll select this 1 minute long video. Now I will click on merge video. So our output should be at least 1 minute 15 seconds long. Now there is one more bug. The video player which I'm showing, it does not have any play pause button. I don't know why. Like this is a bug with React Native, because the same code works perfectly fine in native Android as well as Flutter. I did find one hack, but it causes some other issues, like it makes the video player occupy entire width and height, and this progress which I'm displaying is also a native view. Yeah, it causes a lot of complications, but I don't know what's the solution is. If you know, do let me know in the comments. Okay, this might take a little bit of time. In the meantime, what you can do, here is our React Native project. Okay, so first you have to enable the new architecture. So just search for new arc enabled, and here you will have to make this as true inside your gradle.properties. Okay, so the output is ready. So here is the output. So yeah, anyways, if I click on pick video again just to show it to you. Okay, so let me just wait. So here is the first video finished. Now the second video has started. So if I click on pick video, here you can see there is this 1 minute 15 seconds video saved as well, just to show you the proof. Anyways, coming back to our code. So we have enabled the new architecture. Next, go to Android app src main android manifest.xml, and here you will actually have to add two permissions. So I'll quickly add it from Android Studio because that is more easier for me. The reason I didn't face any issue is because I'm using above Android R, and I don't require this permission for saving the video. This is for older Android versions. Okay, and here I will add read external storage as well. Okay, and we also need to add this, and we need to add this. Okay, now if I show you my Android manifest. Okay, don't save. Okay, I'll go back to Android manifest. Here you can see you have to add this to permission. All right, then firstly we'll have to go to RTN my permission, which is a turbo module. So firstly create this package.json file. Again I have copy pasted this from docs, only this name has been changed, this has been changed, and this has been changed, and this has been changed, rest everything is same. Then I have created a JS folder. Inside that I have created a TypeScript file. Again I have copy pasted it from the docs, only this method name has been changed and this name has been changed. Then I have created an Android folder. Inside that I have created a build.gradle file. Again I have copy pasted it from docs. Only thing is this version I have updated. At the time of me recording, compile HDK is 34, but I think by the time you watch it 35 should be out as well. And here we are using Kotlin standard lib 1.9.24. then inside src I have created all these folders. Firstly I have created my permission package.kt. again I have copy pasted it from docs, only this name has been changed, this has been changed, and here everywhere I am using my permission module. Then create my permission module.kt. again I have copy pasted it from docs, only this name has been changed, and here I have used my permission module. Here we are overriding our method, and this is how we can know whether a user is above Android Q or not. Okay, then coming back to our fabric module. So firstly we will create again this package.json file. again I have copy pasted it from docs, only this name has been changed, this has been changed, and this has been changed. Then create a JS folder. inside that a TypeScript file. again I have copy pasted it from docs. Here I have changed the URL to accept array of strings, and here is our RTN my player which I have changed. Then inside Android I have created this build.gradle file. So again I have copy pasted it from docs, only this version has been changed, and here I have added all the Media3 exo player dependencies which we have, and here I have added this lifecycle runtime dependency as well for Kotlin coroutines. Then inside src I have created all these folders. So first create my player package.kt. again I have copy pasted this from docs, only this name has been changed, and here we are changed this name, and here we are referencing my player manager. Here it is marked as unstable because at the time of me recording this Media3 APIs are still bit unstable, which are used in my player.kt, and my player.kt is referenced in my player manager, and my player manager is referenced in my player package. That's why it is also marked as unstable. Then coming back to my player manager, again this has been copied from docs, only this name has been changed, and everywhere I'm using my player. Okay, rest everything is copied from docs, and this name has been changed. Here we are initializing our Kotlin file, and once we get the URL we just call release player and then call the merge video. Okay, let me quickly check this. I might have made some mistake. My player manager, no, okay, this is fine. Okay, then inside my player.kt, so I'll just scroll up. So firstly there are a lot of imports, so if you want you can just copy paste all these imports which I have. Then we are extending lifecycle event listener because we want the on host, on pause, on destroy methods, and here we are extending transformer.listener because we want to override on completed and on error, and lifecycle owner because we want to make use of Kotlin coroutines. That's why we are writing this boilerplate code. This handler and progress holder for tracking the progress. This is our exo player, this is our player view, and this is our progress bar. This is for saving the file path. Playback position is 0, play when ready is true. This is our transformer, and here we create our mutable list of edited media item. Here we add the listener for it. This is our linear layout. Okay, this is our input player view. Then this is our progress bar. Here you can see I'm displaying all the buttons, but I don't know why they are not showing. Now I did find a hack making use of these two methods and then calling setup layout hack over here, but it makes our player view occupy entire width and height. I don't know why. And if you have more components over here inside this, it will overlap on that. That's why I'm not using it over here. If you have a better solution, do let me know in the comments. Here we initialize our input player. Okay, ignore this line, we don't need this line. Here we release our player. This is for merging our video. So we display our progress bar, initialize our transformer, we loop over all the values which we have. Then we add it to our edited media list item. Then we create an edited media sequence, and with the help of composition builder we just pass our composition to our transformer. So here we are tracking the progress date as well as the actual progress, and here I have added the 500 milliseconds delay. Here we create our external file. Okay, and if I scroll down, here we save file to external storage. So I'll just simply scroll down. Then here we override on completed. So we display our input player, initialize the input player, save file to external storage, and on error we hide our progress bar and display a toast message, and here we override the lifecycle methods as well. Okay, then what you will have to do is you will have to open your terminal, go to the root of your React Native project, and firstly you will have to run this command, then you will have to run this command, then you will have to do cd dot dot, then you will have to run this particular command. But here instead of rnapp merge video, you will have to change it to your own project name. As you can see, my project name is rnapp merge video, so change it over here as well as over here. Then you will have to run this particular command. Again, change your project name over here as well as over here. Then we will have to cd to the main Android folder and then run this particular command. So this will do code generation for Android. Okay, then you also need to install this particular library called React Native Image Picker, which will help us to pick video. And here I have added all the imports for those our libraries, and here if you want you can just uncomment this. Make sure you use HTTPS if you are joining videos from a network URL. Otherwise inside Android manifest you will have to add uses clear text traffic. And here inside pick video method we just pick y videos, and once we have the URI we just append it to our set video URI. I'm not sure if I am getting this TypeScript error. It is saying undefined, but I have added a check for this, I don't know. And here on press if above Android R we just call pick video. If not, then we ask for read write external storage permission. Again, the read write external storage permission is not for picking video, it is for saving the output to external storage. And here is for set show video, like just to show this particular RTN my player a native component. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.